Installation guide for French doors. First, familiarize yourself with the frame components and set them up properly. Secure each profile joint by tightening the screws. Installation of a low-profile door frame. Make sure the walls are level and plumb. Then install the door frame and secure it with screws. When installing a door panel, be sure to align the hinges properly. The hinges are adjustable. Finally, install the door lock. The lock cylinder comes pre-installed inside the door frame. The installation process for the other door is the same as the one we just demonstrated. The same principle applies to installing door handles. Finally, we've included the principles behind hinge adjustment. This screw controls the overall movement of the hinge. These 3 screws control the hinge movement. See the video for a demonstration of how it works. This screw is used to fine-tune the left-to-right movement of the sliding door.